The Rize Starter Kit has everything you need to begin hanging light fixtures, ductwork, or equipment with the Rize suspension system. A custom cable counter lid, a roll of cable, (100 Kwik Locs), and a cable cutter are all conveniently stowed inside a bucket for easy transport. Thread the end of the cable through the custom cable counter lid and you have an easy way to measure the perfect length of cable for any job. The cable counter features a 5-digit counter and a push-button reset. It is designed for use with Rize wire rope for accurate sizing and elimination of waste. The cable counter is also available with a metric counter. The Rize Starter Kit from Rize Enterprises.